Chubby, I'm hungry. Make me some of your delicious lumpia.
Okay, baby, just for you. You want to spice it up for me, baby? Hey everybody, I am the Chubby Gourmet, and today I'm going to be making Filipino spring rolls known as lumpia. Lumpia are extremely thin wrapper spring rolls. Very cool, as you'll see. Right now I'm preparing the veggies for my mix, my filling mix. So I'm gonna slice up a couple of cloves of garlic. I'm gonna peel a carrot, and this will be part of our mix as well. And this is going to all go into the food processor. But we're gonna make his life a little easier and chop this all up a little bit. And we're gonna use not even a whole yellow onion. We're gonna peel this guy at least one layer deep. We really only need half of this sucker. We're using a fresh, sweet bell pepper. Now, the funny thing about lumpia are delicious, as you'd expect any spring roll is going to be. Typically, they're made just with pork. I like to add a little extra nuances to mine. What do I mean by that? I like to add some shrimp as well as pork. And I also, as you'll see soon, I like to season a little bit with fish sauce. The fish sauce, to me, adds another dimension of flavor. So, are mine authentic? You be the judge. Are they delicious? I guarantee it. And for the hot pepper, here in Panama, we use what's called a chombo, which is a Panamanian habanero. Plenty of heat, I promise. Let's make it a little hotter. And we're going to use copious amounts of cilantro. Put in as much as I can, sans stem, although the food processor will take care of any stem that's left over, or any issues that stem from that. And I like some lemongrass. I like some spring onions in my lumpia. And I'm actually going to grate some of this ginger after I peel it. Fresh ginger. And a little more. Last vegetable is some cabbage, and I'm gonna grate this guy. We're gonna use our handy dandy food processor to food process all the vegetables. Hey baby, I need your help. Can you put some of the vegetales into the processor and then process them for me? In the meantime, I'll dance in front of the camera. Now, this is excessive for the amount of meat that we have, but we don't have to use all of it. Look how nice and neat you are. I got it all over the place. You're nice and neat. And let's make sure this baby is on tight, otherwise it won't work. And what I like about this one is it has this fancy little scraper. You want to spice it up for me, baby? See, I need some salt here. Yeah, I think that's good because we're going to be seasoning again later, so we don't want to overdo. And then a little bit of the some black pepper. Just sprinkle a wee bit. Yeah. And I know we got plenty of garlic in there, but a little more garlic powder does good. I'm going to be teaching you something new today. we're gonna learn how to clean a shrimp. So we're gonna remove his shell, like so. So his little legs and shell are no longer on him. Then we're gonna slit like so. And you see this? That's the vein. It's his waste product. Now you could actually eat that, but we're very professional here at the Chubby Gourmet. Would you like to try?
Okay.
I'll give you a nice big guy.
So first I need to peel.
Rip his legs off. Nice. Nice. Oh, perfect. This guy really feasted. That's why we clean them. Well done, well done. So a half a pound of shrimp to each pound of pork for my recipe. And I'm just going to chop these shrimp up. Go. I am sauteing the ground pork, and I've got a pound of it here. Splish splash. A little salt. And a little pepper. Now, the lumpia, of course, are deep fried, but I don't like to put in everything raw. The shrimp will cook fast. No need to saute that, but I do like to cook and season the pork first. Just a little more, get it fully browned, not fully cooked through necessarily. Okay, so we've browned our pork, seasoned and browned our pork. And you know what that means, ladies and gentlemen. Time to make some lumpia at long last. One way you can make your lumpia, you can take all the ingredients like the shrimp, the pork, and the vegetables, and don't forget your fish sauce. Not too much because this is pretty salty, but a little bit. Or you can assemble the ingredients individually. We're gonna show you both today. See, that fish sauce makes all the difference in the world. Okay, so we're gonna stuff our first lumpia roll. I'm gonna take a little bit of shrimp. You shouldn't really go more than 2 tablespoons, but I tend to overdo things. It's the nature of being the Chubby Gourmet. So I'm gonna roll the sides now. And a little water. It'll do. No leakage out the sides. Now everyone see how she's used within the 2 tablespoon limit, which is just a made up limit. It's not etched in stone. I've set the heat temp of the oil at 325 degrees and they're already prepared. We're just gonna deep fry them until they're golden brown. So let the games begin. Put them on some paper towelies. now the moment of truth. We're gonna sample them. We got both sides. We've got one with the fish sauce and this guy is without the fish sauce. Tell me what you think. The crunch is good.
It's very crunchy. It's so delicious.
Oh, glad you like it. I hope you like the fish sauce one.
With the fish sauce, it's better.
Oh yeah, that's why I added that ingredient. My lumpia are anything but boring.
So delicious. I love
Thank
it.
you. I'll try one with the fish sauce first. You know, a little strong with the fish sauce, but not bad. I like the extra flavor. And there you have it, my take on what I consider a delicious lumpia recipe. Would you guys try this? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your recipes, your variations. I'd love to hear from y'all. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and beat that notification bell like it owes you money. And until next time, hasta lasagna.